Ignatius Chombo, who is the Minister of Finance, has appeared in court facing charges of contravening Section 4 of the Prevention of Corruption Act. Chombo, who appeared before Harare magistrate Mr Elisha Singano, facing 3 charges of corruption and fraud as defined in Section 174 of Criminal Law Codification and Reform Act Chapter 9 subsection 23, which dates back to 2004, was remanded in custody to Monday for bail application. He is being represented by Professor Lovemore Madhuku. The state alleges that Chombo abused his office as a public officer and the then Minister of Local Government, Public Works and National Housing to prejudice the City of Harare and the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe of $3.6 million. Former Zanu PF Secretary for Youth Affairs Kudzanayi Chipanga, who also appeared in court facing charges of publishing or communicating false statements prejudicing the state, was remanded in custody to Monday for bail application. This is in relation to press statements he allegedly made on November 14 at Zanu PF headquarters in company of his accomplice Innocent Hamandishe and others. Chipanga's statements were allegedly made to denigrate Commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces General Constantino Chiwenga, who had earlier on made a press statement. Chipanga appeared before Harare magistrate Ms Josephine Sunday and is represented by Professor Lovemore Madhuku. The state, represented by Mr Nyazamba, have applied for Chipanga's placement on remand. However, Chipanga's lawyer is challenging the application, citing that his client was over-detained. He alleges that Chipanga was arrested on the 15th of November. As Chipanga testifies, he alleges that he was arrested on the 15th of November. The state maintains that Chipanga was arrested on November 23 and prior to that the state is not privy of any arrests with the purpose of bringing him to court. The magistrate is set to give her ruling any time. Meanwhile, Zanu PF Youth League Secretary for Commissariat Innocent Hamandishe has also appeared before Harare magistrate Mr Hosea Mujaha, facing 6 counts of kidnapping and 1 count of publishing or communicating falsehoods. Hamandishe was remanded in custody to the 8th of next month and was asked to apply for bail at the High Court as he is facing 3rd schedule offences. Earlier on, Hamandishe's lawyer Mr Emmanuel Samandu made an application challenging his placement on remand, saying his client was over-detained. He claimed that Hamandishe was taken by state agents on the 15th of November who abducted them. However, the application was dismissed by the magistrate, saying they failed to give evidence to substantiate allegations.